Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Hope you're doing great. Sending you love and light your way. So, you're welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to decorate an 8 inches whipped cream, marble, and red velvet cake, and how you can add cake filling safely without smearing or tilting one side. First of all you need to do is to safeguard your cake by making a ring at the first layer of your cake with chocolate ganache. Right here, I use caramel cake filling and whipped cream cake. The ganache around it secures the fillings from coming out of the cake. So that is the secret. You get it now? Okay. You can see my cake is giving that all that it should. Finely baked, no trimming, cutting out of cake, and the cake tastes so heavily. It tastes so good, seriously. So for hygiene's sake, I want to put this in place for the sake of hygiene. Please, my hands were properly washed prior to making this video, and I mostly work comfortably with my hands. I feel much better working with my hands. Yeah, please take notes. Thank you. As you can see right here, I'm concocting my cake. Concocting your cake as a baker is a step you can never go wrong with while decorating your cakes, whether be it fondant decorations, buttercream decorations, and right here is a whipped cream decoration. This step helps to lock in your cake from bringing out crumbs while doing the final coating. So it is very important step in cake decoration. As you can see, I'm really taking my time to do the concretes to tell you how very important it is. If you skip this step, you're going to have a very dirty final decoration. Uh, your clients get to see cake crumbs here and there, and that's not nice. Doesn't make the cake look good. To give the cake the final appearance it's meant to give. You get me right? Mm-hmm. For the chocolate ganache, I feel every baker should know about it. Our regular chocolate bar we use, heavy cream, so it's a ratio of 2 to 1, meaning chocolate. If you're using chocolate bar, it should be 500 grams of chocolate, while the whipping cream should be heavy whipping cream should be 250 grams. So ratio 2 to 1. Yeah, just double boil it in a bowl, add your chocolate ganache and your heavy cream, double boil it, and that's it. Leave it to melt, and your chocolate ganache is ready. But before you put it on your cake, you know it to still be very hot. You have to leave it to cool for a bit before you can make a ring, a firm ring around your cake to add your fillings. It really secures your filling from coming out from the cake. So here is my final coating, final decoration with my whipped cream. I like to take my time doing like this. I pour my cream in a piping bag, and it gives me a clean finishing just this way. It takes time, but yeah, you love your cake after decorating like this. Although sometimes I just pour the cream, I use my offset spatula and decorate. Here is my scraper. I'm using the toast paper to do the final decoration. Yeah. So while decorating, you can see we are left with some holes in the body of the cake. Either you pour in some whipped cream in your piping bag and fill up those holes, or use your offset spatula as I'm doing on the video right here and fill up the holes. Then use a scraper and rub it again so it will be smooth on the body of the cake to give you a smooth finishing. You can see how smooth the cake is looking now because of the scraper. Yeah, there's no way you can achieve a smooth finishing without a scraper. Very important step. So right here, I have my palette knife. I want to add some petals on the body of the cake. So I use my palette knife just like this, back of the palette knife. I pour in some whipped cream, just the way I'm doing it on my scraper to make it look as if I'm cementing some petals on it. Yeah, that's the word, cementing some petals, the cake. Yeah, gives it a gorgeous look. This cake is for a lady, so adding in some flowers here and then, and also I'm going to add some sprinkles. You'll see it as you watch the video. Hi people, I wish to crave your indulgence. If you notice, you will see that I'm not so new to this space, but I recently started putting up videos here on my channel. I recently discovered I have a new YouTube channel different from my other YouTube channel, which I was posting videos with, not knowing I have this channel, Gamira Cakes, with 10K views from my short videos. I posted this like 3 years ago. Yeah, 3 years ago thereabouts. And I seriously want to grow this channel. Please let's do this together. Your views, likes, subscription, with this give me the motivation to keep posting educative videos for you. Share our page to everyone who can benefit from my channel. Yeah, anyone who can benefit from this channel, yes, because many by watching YouTube channels, you can start up a business with your niche. Maybe you want to, for instance, you want to start baking a cake, even without going to a class. You already have an idea of how to bake a cake, how to decorate a cake. Do you get something like that? Just with that idea, you can start up a business. Then you now go for a training to enhance a physical training because that one is very important to get. But even by watching, I have a friend that during our NYSC, it was just this skill acquisition that the teacher during NYSC, and she went for baking classes. She was going for the baking classes just by watching what they were doing, and sometimes they do hands-on practical also. She became a baker right from that skill acquisition, and today she's doing very well for herself. She's independent. So if you're a fast learner, bet me just by watching my videos, I'm sure you can pick one or two and be independent and start working. Yeah. Then if you want the physical class, you can contact me through my Gmail or through my Instagram. Send me a DM at Camera Cakes on Instagram. Facebook at Camera Cakes and Pastries on Facebook. I'll always respond back to you. Then we are here in Lagos State, Nigeria. We have a bakery. I work from home. Yeah, we have a bakery. So I'm sure you could learn one or two from this page. So welcome back. Right here, I'm using a mixture of luster dust, edible luster dust, and edible spirits. A mixture of it gives it a good touch effect. So I'm sprinkling it on the body of the cake. I'm also going to use it to highlight on the edges of the cake and on the cupcake, the frosting. You'll see the final look at the end of this this video. Trust me when I say this cake was giving all it should. Yeah, a very gorgeous cake for a lady, a very beautiful lady. Yeah. So thank you for staying with me. Thank you for watching my video. Please support me by subscribing, liking my videos, recommending it to anybody that feels like watching to upgrade their baking skills. I'm here for you to hold your hands through the process for you to be a better baker, a better yeah, a better baker or someone that just wants to improve on her baking skills. That's just it. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.